Hello everyone, and welcome back to the IL Tech channel. Today is October 4th, 2023, and I am currently on my way to my grandma's house to record the National Periodic Test of 2023. And so basically what this is it is generally conducted at least once every 3 years by FEMA and the FCC on all cell phones, AM and FM radio stations, and TV stations to ensure that emergency alert system messages will work properly in the event of a national emergency. And so the reason I'm actually going to be going to my grandma's house as opposed to recording the test at my own place is because, unlike us, my grandma actually has Xfinity TV. And so emergency alert system messages will be popping up on the TV, either in the form of EasyCap or DASDEC screens. And so we'll figure that out once the test is sent. And another thing I'm going to be doing as well is recording the weekly Wednesday weather radio alarm test, which is normally conducted here between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy what this video has to offer for the National Periodic Test of 2023. And so all that is needed now is to sit back and relax. Enjoy.
Lows in the lower 40s. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. The time is currently 11:01 a.m. Central.
I'm scared.
Whoa.
Oh shit, there we go. There we go.
And look at that, we got the thing on our phone. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and national warning capabilities at the federal, state, and local, tribal, and territorial levels, and to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required by the public. Cool. Okay. So I'm going to post that on Discord, but yeah. Here we go.
Podcasts, and more. Make it fun and engaging. Realize the language you want. Babbel's lessons built around real life. Choose from topics like business, relationships, and more.
This is the nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Babbel doesn't take long.
Babbel, it isn't hard. It's perfect. Now, try Babbel free at Babbel.com. That's B-A-B-B.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Alright, so I would say that was a success. Let me unsnap this out of place. So, this went off for 30 minutes. National periodic test. 90.9 went off, and this did not go off, but oh, the TV?
Oh, the radio.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I can't stand there and recording it. Nothing.
Yeah.
TV went off.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, got that one. But yeah, I'm gonna get this one as well. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so I'd say that was a success. Thank you guys all for tuning in, and hope you enjoyed the video and what it has to offer. Peace out.